Are you ready to get serious about improving profitability and your cash flow? If you are, stick with me. I've got 4 tips for you. You can implement all 4 or just choose one. In the meantime, if you don't know who I am, my name is Scott Miller. I'm the owner of thegrowthleague.com, and I'm making these videos because I'm passionate about helping owners to get more profitable, reduce the chaos in their business, and build something of significant value they can sell someday when it's time to move on. Okay, so tip number 1 is job costing. If you're not already job costing, I want to encourage you to get started right away. Track labor and materials to your jobs, and if that sounds difficult to you, book a call with me and I'll get you on the right path. Step 2 is invoice with urgency. And by that I mean, don't wait days or weeks after a job is done or a phase of a larger job is done. Get it invoiced and start that process of getting the money flowing back to your business as soon as possible. Step number 3, a collections procedure. Have a written collection procedure in place so that your team knows what's expected of them. What should they do a day after the invoice has gone out? 2 days, 3 days, a week, 2 weeks, etc. Have a documented process in place. Number 4, a performance-based compensation plan. If you can put a performance-based compensation plan in place, you're going to help align your team with the same financial goals as you. Incentivize them, reward them for profitability. That's what the business needs. And if you can give them incentive to help achieve that, fantastic. If you need help with any of this, or you just want to book a call with me to find out how I help clients in the industry, please click the link below this video and let's talk. In the meantime, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.